In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block out times on Calendly. If you need to protect focus hours, take a day off, or stop last-minute bookings, this quick walkthrough will show you how to mark specific times as unavailable so no one can schedule over them. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. From the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Availability. This is where all your working hours and rules live. At the top of this page, switch to the Schedules tab. Schedules control the availability that your event types use, so any change you make here will ripple to the event types connected to that schedule. Find the schedule you want to adjust. This might be your default working hours or a custom schedule you've created, and select it to open the details. Inside the schedule, choose the date you want to change and click Edit Date. This tells Calendly you're making an exception for that specific day, rather than changing your entire weekly pattern. On the edit screen, go to the section labeled What Hours Are You Available? You'll see one or more time ranges that represent when people can book you on that date. To block out a time, click the remove icon next to the time range you don't want to offer. If the day shows multiple ranges, remove just the ones you want to close. If you remove all ranges, the entire day will be blocked. When you're done making adjustments, click Apply to save the change. Calendly will update the schedule and show that date as unavailable wherever that time was removed. Anyone visiting your booking link will no longer see those slots and they won't be able to book over them. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Double check your time zone in Calendly to ensure you're blocking the correct hours, especially if you meet across regions. Remember that you're editing a specific schedule, so make sure the event types you care about are connected to this schedule. If you only needed to close a portion of the day, leave at least one time range active so the remaining windows stay open. And if you change your mind later, you can come back to the same date, restore a time range, and apply your changes again. That's it. You've successfully blocked out times on Calendly. With these steps, you can quickly protect your calendar while keeping the rest of your availability open for bookings.